Hello, guys. Good evening. You are welcome to today's class. So, by God's grace, today we are going to be taking a topic on calculus. Okay, and the topic is called what? Implicit function. Okay, it's called implicit function. And when you are to identify an implicit question is very easy. Implicit questions normally carry x and y. Sometimes x and y to pair it up together. Okay, if you observe all these questions now, can see now we have x, y, x, y, x, y, s, y, x, and y all together. There's nothing like y equals to. Okay, so that's how to identify what an implicit word function question. So according to this question, now we have to look for what the y, the x of the following. Okay, but take note, whenever you have s and y together like this, what do? You write the question twice. You differentiate x, you hold y constant, and differentiate y and hold s constant. Okay, so from this place, which is number one question, we are given x squared plus y squared equals to 25. So how do we find the y, the x? In implicit function, whenever you differentiate y, you add the y, the x. Whenever you differentiate y, you add the y, the what? The x. But whenever you differentiate x, no need of you adding what? The y, the x. So we have question number one here. Okay, whenever I differentiate my x, so I have what? 2x. Then when I differentiate my y square, I have what? 2y. Then I'll add what? Dy dx equals to, if I differentiate 25 is what? 0. We are looking for dy dx. What do you collect like things? All the one with dy dx will move to one side. The one with dy dx without dy dx will move to the other side. So here we have 2y dy dx equals to, if this one is crossing over the equality sign, we have minus 2x. Now to get dy dx, you divide both sides by what? 2y. So our dy dx is going to be minus 2x all over 2y. What happened? 2 can cancel out 2. So our final answer, dy dx is equals to minus x over what? Y. So that is for that. So let's move straight to number 2 question. So number 2, we have x cubed plus y cubed equals to 6xy. So for this, what do? You rewrite this one twice. So this is going to be x cubed plus y cubed equals to 6xy plus 6xy. Why do I have to split it like this? Here, I'll differentiate my x. Why here? I'll differentiate what? Y. Okay. Now from here, if I differentiate x cubed, I will have 3x squared. Then if I differentiate y cube, I'm going to have 3y squared. Then add dy dx. Why are you adding dy dx? Because you differentiated what? Y. So this time around, if I differentiate, what I'm differentiating here is what? 6x. If I differentiate 6x, it's sitting at 6. And 6 times y is 6y. Then plus, here I have 6x. If I differentiate y is what? 1. So that's times what? 1. You add dy dx. So this time around we have 3x squared plus 3y squared dy dx equals to 6y plus 6x times 1. We have 6x dy dx. So what do? They collect like things. All the one with dy dx will move to one side, without dy dx will move to the other side. So here we have 3y squared dy dx. If this one is crossing the equality sign, it become minus 6x dy dx. Then equals to, here we have 6y. If it's crossing, minus 3x squared. So what's common here? Dy dx is common. So you factor out dy dx. If you remove dy dx from here, what should be left here? 3y squared minus 6x. Then equals to 6y minus 3x squared. So this time around, to get the y dx, divide both sides by the coefficient of that. So our dy dx is going to be 6y minus 3x squared all over 3y squared minus 6x. If you observe what's common here, 3 is common. Okay. Now, if you factor out this, we have 3 bracket 3 going to 6 is 2. What left there? 2y minus what? X squared. Then all over y here we have what? 3. Then bracket y squared minus 2 x. So 3 can cancel out what? 3. So our final answer is going to be 2y minus x squared all over y squared minus 2x. So that's our final answer. So you can copy that. So let's move straight to the next one. So number 3. So we have x plus y equals to plus sine y equals to 3. So here, if we differentiate x is what? 1. So here we have 1. If we differentiate y is what? 1. Since it's y we differentiated, what do? Add what? Dy dx. So plus, if we differentiate sine s is what? Cos. If we differentiate sine y is what? Cos y. Then add what? Dy dx equals to what? 0. So this time I'll collect like things. 1 times dy, or let's say 1 dy dx, then plus cos y dy dx equals, if it's cross it become minus 1. So dy dx is common. If you factor out dy dx, so what should be left here? 1 plus cos y then equals to minus 1. So to get dy dx, divide everything by this. So our dy dx is equals to minus 1 all over 1 plus what? Cos y. So that's our final answer. Thank you very much. So let's move straight to question number 4. All right. For this question number 4, if you observe, we have s and y together. I say whenever you have s and y together, what do? You split it into 2. Okay. So this time around, here is going to be s squared plus 3xy cubed plus 3xy cubed plus 4 equals to 0. Here you differentiate y here you differentiate what? S. Or here you differentiate s, here you differentiate y. Either of them. Okay, so if I differentiate s squared, what do we have? We have 2x. So here I'm differentiating s. If I differentiate 3s is what? Is 3. Then times what? Y cube. Then plus, here I have 3s. If I differentiate y cube, what do we have? We have times what? 3y squared dy dx, because I differentiated y. If I differentiate 4 is what? Is 0, equals to 0. So from here, we have 2x plus 3 times y cube, 3y cube. Then plus 3 times 3 is what? 9xy squared. Then dy dx equals to 0. What do? Collect like things. So we have 9x then y squared then dy dx equals to, if it's crossing, we have minus 2x minus 3y cube. So to get dy dx, divide everything by this. So our dy dx is equals to minus 2x minus 3y cube all over 9xy squared. You can leave your answer like this, or you can see what's common here. Minus is common. If you don't want to, if you want to move further, you can leave it as dy dx equals to minus bracket 2x plus 3y cube then all over what? 9xy squared is still okay. You can leave it this way or you can leave it this way. They are both correct. Thank you very much. So let's move straight to question number 5. All right. So for question number 5, you can see here we don't have s and y together. So this one is straight. Okay. So if I differentiate y4, what do we have? We have 4y cubed. What do you add? Dy dx, because you differentiated what? Y. Then plus, if I differentiate 2y, we have what? 2. You add what? Dy dx. Y here, if I differentiate x squared is what? 2x. Do I need to add dy dx? No, because it's x. Then if I differentiate 34 is what? 0 equals to 0. So what do? You collect like things. We have 4y cubed dy dx, then plus 2 dy dx equals to minus 2x. So from here, dy dx is common. You factor out dy dx. If you bring out dy dx, what should be left here? 4y cubed. And what should be left here? Plus 2 equals to minus 2x. So from here, to get dy dx, you divide both sides by this, equals to minus 2x all over 4y cubed plus 2. You can leave your answer like this, but if you want to move further, 2 is common here, right? You can factorize the denominator. We'll be having minus 2x all over. If you bring out 2, 2 can go into 4 is 2. We have 2y cubed. Then plus 2 into 2 is what? 1. So this cancel out this. Our final answer will be equals to minus s all over 2y cubed plus 1 chicken. So that is the final answer. So let's move straight to question number 6. All right. So for question number 6, okay, we don't have s and y together, so this one is straight up. Okay, so if I differentiate 4x squared, what do we have? We have 8x. Then why this one? If I differentiate 7x squared, what do we have? 14y. Sorry. If I differentiate 7y squared, we have 14y. Then we'll add what? Dy dx. Remember, if I differentiate 36 is what? 0. What do you collect like things? We have 14y, then dy dx, then equals to minus 8x. To get dy dx, divide both sides by 14y. So our dy dx is equals to minus 8x over 14y. What's common here? 2 can go. 2 go into 8 is 4, and 2 go into 14 is 7. So our final answer now will be equals to 2 here. We have minus 4x all over 7y. So that's our final answer. So let's move straight to question number 7. So for question 7, we have 2x squared minus xy plus y squared plus 3y equals to 0. Okay, so from here, we have s and y together. So what we do? We write it twice. So if I differentiate 2x squared, we have what? 4x. So sorry, let's rewrite the question first. We have 2x squared minus xy minus xy plus y squared plus 3y equals to 0. If we differentiate 2x squared, what do we have? We have 4x. So here we are differentiating x, here we differentiate y. If I differentiate minus x is what? Minus 1 times what? Y. Then we have minus a. If I differentiate y is what? 1. Then we'll add what? Dy dx. If I differentiate y squared is what? 2y. Then dy dx. If I differentiate 3y is what? Is 3. That's plus what? Plus 3 dy dx. Then equals to 0. So from there, we have 4x minus 1 times y is minus y. Then minus x times, we have minus x dy dx. Then plus what? 2y dy dx plus what? 3 dy dx equals to 0. What do you collect like things? So here we have minus x dy dx plus 2y dy dx plus 3 dy dx equals to, this one is crossing, we have y minus 4x. So dy dx is common. If we factor out dy dx, what should be left here? Minus x plus 2y plus 3, then equals to y minus 4x. Now from here, to get dy dx, divide both sides by this. So our dy dx is equals to, so here we are going to be having y minus 4x all over minus x plus 2y, then plus what? 3 chicken. So that's the final answer. So let's move straight to the last question. That's question number 8 on implicit. So for question number 8 question, we have x raised to power 7 plus y raised to power 7 equals to 4x raised to power 5, then y5 minus 2. So for this, what do we do? We have x and y together, so we will write it what? Twice. So from here, we are going to be having x raised to power 7 plus y raised to power 7 equals to 4x raised to power 5, then y5 plus 4x raised to power 5, y5 minus 2. Then, so what do we do here? So here, we differentiate x, while here we differentiate what? Y. So if we differentiate x7, what are we going to have? We have 7x raised to power 6. Then plus if we differentiate y7, we have 7y raised to power 6 dy dx equals to, here if we differentiate 4x raised to power 5, we have 20x4 times what? Y5. Then y here, if we have 4x5, so if we differentiate y raised to power 5, we have times what? 5y raised to power 4, okay, minus 0. So from there, we have, sorry, yeah, we add what? Dy dx, then minus 0. So from there, we have 7x raised to power 6 plus 7y raised to power 6 dy dx equals to 20x4 times y5. We have 20x4 y5. Then plus 4 times 5 is what? 20. Here we have 20x5 y4. Okay, dy dx. So let's collect like terms. So here we have 7y6 dy dx. If this one is crossing, we have minus 20x5y4 dy dx. Then equals to, here we have 20x4 y5 minus 7x6. So dy dx is common. If you factor out dy dx, so we are left with 7y6, then minus, sorry, 7y6 minus 20x5y4, then equals to 20x4y5 minus 7x6. So to get the y there, divide both side by this. So our final answer, the y dx, will be 20x4y5 minus 7x6 all over 7y6 minus 20x5 y4. So that's the final answer. So thank you very much for staying till the end of today's class. Hopefully, our next class, we are going to be moving straight to minimum and maximum. So thank you very much and God bless you. Bye.